Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of something went wrong on the application of Messenger. We go to settings. Here on this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about the application of Messenger and you will click. In this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.